Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I wanted to show you what is in the Allure Beauty Box Special Edition. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I resubscribed for my year because they had it where you can still get one last time. You can purchase your year subscription to get the lower rate before they raise their fee. So I went ahead and paid for my whole year again, and I got this guy right here free of charge. They did also send me my box. This is last month's box. So if you want to know if I had any different variation in there from what I got before, I'll run through that in the end. But this is the box that you get if you sign up for a whole year, and it's supposed to be valued at, I think, $200, I do believe, but this was completely free. So it comes in this box right here that says Special Edition. And then when you open it up, that is what you see inside. And I guess it's going to be like some items that were in past previous boxes. So here is the box. Let's go ahead and go through here. So the first one right here is the Huda Beauty lipstick. This is Alluring. This was the collab that they did, which was made specifically for Allure Beauty, hence the word alluring. And this is in the color red. And I already have this one. So here is that. Then we have is an Ofra highlighter. And this is, I believe it's the Nikki Tutorial collab. This is, yes, the Nikki Tutorials. This is highlighting Everglow, and I love Ofra highlighters. Those are like my favorite highlighters. Then in here, it looks like it says up to 10 days from one application, organic tan infused cloth. So it's a tanning infused cloth inside there. Then this, I think, is another tanning product, self tan. Yes, it's a self tan spray. Now we have is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Rose. This is a cleanser. We have Laritzi Cosmetics Liquid Balm, and this is in the color of Topaz. And the color looks like, whoa, Topaz, that looks gold. So there's that. Then there is the mini makeup eraser, and I think the mini one that I got was pink. Let's see. Oh, this one is black. So this one is black in color, and it is a mini makeup eraser. These are amazing. I use these every single night. Then we have is two eye lights, metallic eyeshadows. This is by Model Co. One is in Granite and one is in Saint Bart's. And let's see what the colors look like inside. So one of them looks like it's a black, and then one of them looks like kind of like a metallic goldish color. In the same brand, Model Co., we have two different metallic eyeshadow trios here. Looks like it's a Saint Tropez, but there's three different colors in there, like brown tones. My Konos, and it looks like there's like a pink, a brown, and like a peachish color in there. Now we have this Olay Eyes Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. We have a Red Energy Recovery Serum, Blossoming Energy. Then this is from Douce. This is a lip crayon in the color Winter Berry 405. That looks like a really pretty color. Good for this season too. And then we have one brush that's like this gold handle, and then we have one Luxie brush. And then the last item in here is LA Splash Cosmetics, and this is a waterproof slim eyeliner. And I'm not sure if it's going to be like that brownish color because I don't do liquid eyeliner, so I'm not going to open it. But here is a liquid eyeliner that came in this kit as well. So that is everything that came in the free bundle if you were to purchase for the one entire year. So if you were interested to know what it would be, that's what they're sending right now anyway. I'm sure it always changes depending on what they have available. But then for last month's box, now that's a double, which again, these products I'll just save for one of you guys all together. Here is an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Here is that, this was not a part of it, but this was one of their little features on the back. And this is the dry conditioner. And it would have been the dry conditioner or the dry shampoo. And I think last time I got the same exact one. And then now you have the smallest little thing of sunscreen right there. And then, oh cool, at least this time I did get the NYX brush. The last time was the e.l.f. brush. So this is the NYX brush, which was the more expensive brush in this set. So there's that. And this one would be, this is a contouring brush. And then here is the twist up liner, and this should be the purple. Yeah, it's the purple eyeliner. I already got this one, so this one I'll save for one of you guys. And then here is the Wander Beauty mascara. And then since I signed up, I got a free palette, and then this is the mask. This one is different. The last one I got was the brown package. Now I have the aloe vera. So I got different variation with this box, which that's kind of cool because then I got a few different items. And then this I've already received, I think from them when they first did it. But then this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild. This is the highlighting face palette. Right there. So that is everything that came then in my last month's box. I kind of wish they would have started this month, which is totally fine because now I'm getting the cheaper price for a whole year. And then I got a free Anastasia palette to give to one of you guys as well. So that is everything that I wanted to show you about the free bundle that you get if you do the whole year. And then I wanted to show you an update on the new box that I got from last month as well, so I can show you at least the different variations. So there you go. Comment down below, let me know, did you jump on that deal? Did you purchase the year so you can save that money for the first year? Did you want to? Comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.